Real quick question. How do you describe your morning? If your answer sounds anything like, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work, we need to talk. Because that's not how real people speak. That's how a language textbook speaks. And there's a big difference. Native speakers don't just describe what they do, they describe how it feels. They use phrases with rhythm, with personality, with emotion baked right in. And today, I'm giving you those exact phrases, the ones people actually use to talk about their daily routine. Morning, afternoon, evening, all of it. Real English, real flow, zero textbook energy. Let's go. Okay, mornings first, because mornings are where most English learners give themselves away immediately. Textbook. I wake up at 7. Real. I'm up at 7. Simple, short, natural. Native speakers almost never say, I wake up in casual conversation. They just say, I'm up. Now, are you a total early bird who's up before the alarm even goes off? Or are you a night owl who was still awake at 1 a.m. and is now paying for it? Because those are two very different mornings. If you're an early bird, don't say, I am a morning person. Say, I'm a total early bird. I'm usually up before my alarm even goes off. But if you're a night owl, dragging yourself out of bed isn't just hard, it's basically a sport. I'm such a night owl. I really struggle to drag myself out of bed in the morning. Drag myself. Like your body is dead weight and you're pulling it off the mattress. Every night owl in the world just felt that phrase. Now the morning routine. Instead of, I get ready quickly, say, I just throw on some clothes and head out. And breakfast? Real people don't eat breakfast. They grab something on the go. Or sometimes, honestly, they just skip it entirely. I never have time for a proper breakfast. I usually just grab a coffee and head out. That phrase, a proper breakfast, is so natural. It means a real sit-down meal. Use it. By mid-morning, one of two things happens. Either the coffee kicks in and you kick into gear, or it doesn't, and you spend the whole morning just trying to get going. Once my coffee kicks in, I finally start to kick into gear around 10. Notice that. Kicks in and kick into gear are two different things. Coffee kicks in, it starts working. And then you kick into gear. You shift into a higher mode. Use both. Now for the part of the day everyone relates to. 3 p.m. The afternoon wall. Don't say, I feel tired in the afternoon. Say, every day around 3, I completely hit a wall. You were moving, you had momentum, and suddenly you just can't. That's hitting a wall. And what do? You don't just continue working, you power through. I hit a wall around 3, but I just put my head down and power through. Or maybe you need a reset. Real people say, I take a quick break to recharge. Or, I step away from my desk for a bit. That phrase, step away, is so natural and so useful. Not, I leave my desk. I step away. It implies you're coming back, it's temporary, it's human. Okay, end of the workday. How do you talk about finishing up? Not, I finish work. Say, I finally call it a day, or I wrap things up around 6. Call it a day, you're officially done. You've decided, enough. Wrap things up. You're finishing the last few things before you stop. I try to wrap things up by 6 so I actually have time to decompress. Decompress, that's a beautiful word. It means you're unwinding, letting the stress of the day go, like releasing pressure. Native speakers use it a lot. I need at least an hour to just decompress after work. And evenings, real people don't watch television or spend time with family. They veg out on the couch. They catch up with their family over dinner. They scroll mindlessly for way too long before bed. Honestly, most evenings I just veg out on the couch. I'm running on fumes by then. Running on fumes, you're barely going. Like a car with almost no gas left. Still moving, but barely. All right, now it's your turn. I'm going to show you a picture and a situation. Describe it out loud using the phrases we just learned. Don't think too hard, just speak. It's early. It's cold. Nobody asked for this. Use drag myself out of bed or I'm up before my alarm. While some people are fast asleep, this person is just getting started. Use night owl or I can barely keep my eyes open. No time to sit down. No time for a proper meal. Use grab something on the go or skip breakfast entirely. The coffee hasn't kicked in yet, but you're moving. Use head out or kick into gear. It's done. You made it through the whole day. Use call it a day or wrap things up. It's time to wrap things up and say goodbye. Drop your answers in the comments. Let's see how you did. Use at least 3 phrases and describe your actual day. See you next episode.